fine. See dear students, every time I am saying good morning, but this time I will wish you in Hindi. So, namaste, welcome, vanakkam, and once again स्वागत है आपका EVS की क्लास में. Okay, hope you will like this type of wish. Okay, now move on and we will come back on study mode, right? See dear students, in my previous lecture I explained about the leaf, parts of the leaves and functions of the leaves, right? So this concept is quite big and I told you if you cannot understand, once again I will explain to you. So once again I will explain all these things because these things will make you learn something new, है ना? This is new learning for you and when we will learn something new, it will take time. जब भी हम कोई नई चीज़ सीखते हैं बेटा, तो ऐसा होता है कि we cannot understand concept in one day, at one time, है ना? It is happening. This is natural. So don't take it otherwise. So once again, we will learn about the leaves, right? So leaf is the why. Have you ever think that why is leaf so important to a plant? Why is leaf so important to a plant? What are the functions? The main function of a leaf is to make the food for the plant. The main function. And leaf makes food in the presence of sunlight, air, water and chlorophyll, right? And carbon dioxide which is available in the air. These five raw material to make the food for the plant. We will discuss all these things, but once again we will discuss about the parts of the leaves. Okay, parts of a leaf. So I will draw a picture of leaf over here. Okay. Okay. This is the picture of the leaf, right? And the leaf is called the food factory of a plant. This is written in your book. So I can say that leaf is the food factory for a plant as like us. What is the food factory for us, for human beings? Which place is fixed to make the food for us? In our houses? What is the name of that place? Yes, kitchen. है ना? So we all are using kitchen. Kitchen is the place where we human beings are making food for us. Where mama is preparing food for us. So as like our kitchen, we human beings are using kitchen. So as like our kitchen, plants also need the food because plant is a living thing. Plant is also use the food. So who will prepare the food? You? No. I? No. Then who will prepare the food for the plant? Plant itself. And leaf is the kitchen for the plant. This leaf is making food. This leaf is preparing food for entire plant. पूरे plant के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ the picture of the leaf. Okay, so this part beta, in Hindi, in Chalu language, in rough language, we are calling this part is dantal, है ना, dantal बोलते हैं इसको हिंदी में. But in English, what we are calling it stalk. So this part is stalk. What is the name of this part? Stalk. And in Hindi, we are calling it dantal. And it is attached with the stem. ये जो पेड़ की stem होती है, in Hindi we all are calling तना. In Hindi में इसको तना बोलते हैं, and in English stem. So this stalk is attached with this stem, right? Okay, this much you understand now. This is leaf, and leaf is the food factory for the plant. Leaf is the kitchen for the plant, as like we human beings. We human beings have kitchen in our homes, and we all are preparing food for us in the kitchen. As like the entire plant, this leaf is preparing the food for the plant, right? And this part is called stalk. In Hindi we can say dantal, right? And now we will discuss about this main line. This main line. So what is the name of this main line? That is midrib. What is the name of this main line? That is midrib. ठीक है, इस मेन लाइन का नाम क्या है? इस मेन लाइन का नाम है midrib, right? Now these small lines you can see in the leaf. So what is that? What is the name of these small lines which we can see in the leaves? That is veins. That is veins. The name of this part in the leaf, veins, right? And this wala part, this upper part, this upper part is called what? That is leaf blade. Leaf, that is leaf blade, right? So this part is called stalk. This part is called midrib. This part is called stalk. This part, this middle wala line is called midrib, and these small lines called veins, and this is the leaf blade. This is the leaf blade, right? And under the leaf blade we can see small pores. Under the leaf blade, जो leaf होती है उसके अंदर एक लीफ ब्लेड होती है बेटा, वो विच वी कैन नॉट सी विद द नेकेड आईज. उसको हम अपनी खाली आंखों से नहीं देख सकते हैं, जिसका नाम स्टोमेटा होता है ना. वी कैन नॉट सी विद द नेकेड आईज. वी विल यूज स्टेथोस्कोप. सॉरी, I am forgetting the name of that instrument, that equipment which we all are using. I am forgetting the name. Don't worry, I will announce the name in the next lecture. So under the leaf blade, there are small pores. There are small pores which called what? Which called stomata. Which called stomata. Right? What is called? That is called stomata. Okay. This part of the leaf, the names of the leaf, understand? इतना समझ में आया आपको? the leaf and this is the stalk which is attached with the stem, and this middle line is called midrib, and these small lines called veins, and these upper part is called leaf blade, and some small pores is inside the leaf, that is called stomata. That is called stomata, right? And every leaf has the green color, beta. Every leaf is in green color only. So what is the reason? Why there is no red color? Why there is no yellow color? Why there is no black, brown and all colors? Why only the green colors have the leaf? Why? Because there is a pigment actually which is called chlorophyll, है ना? Because of the chlorophyll, the color of leaf is in green color. That is the kind of pigment which is in the leaf only. That is the reason the leaf have the green color. और जब पत्तियों का ये क्लोरोफिल होता है, ये खत्म होने लगता है तो पत्तियों का रंग पीला पड़ने लगता है, और फिर इनके जो स्टल्क है, ये स्टल्क जो है वो कमजोर होने लगते हैं और ये पत्तियां पेड़ों से टूटकर गिर जाती हैं. Have you seen so many leaves of neem plant? है ना? उसकी जो green leaves होती हैं, that all the leaves are in the trees only. But जो भी yellow पत्तियां जो नीचे गिरी होती हैं, what is the reason behind them? वो नीचे क्यों गिरी हैं? वो येलो क्यों हो गई हैं? लीव्स तो ग्रीन होती हैं. दैट इज द रीजन. जब लीव्स का क्लोरोफिल जो एक टाइप का ग्रीन पिगमेंट होता है वो लीफ में खत्म होने लगता है तो उनका कलर ग्रीन से येलो होने लगता है, और ये जो स्टल्क वाला पार्ट है जो स्टेम से अटैच होता है, ये उनका कमजोर पड़ता है और पत्तियां पीली पड़कर नीचे गिर जाती हैं. राइट? इतना समझ में आया? होप आपको इतना समझ में आया होगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस functions of leaves. Now we will discuss functions of leaves. These all are the parts of the leaves. Now we will discuss functions of a leaf. Function of a leaf. What is the function of leaves? Right. So actually the main functions of the leaf is that to make the food for plant. The main work of the leaf is that to make the food for plant. When mama is making chapati, she is using wheat, गेहूं का आटा. ठीक है? When mama is using rice, mama is using vegetables, mama is using pulses, then she prepared the food for us. So as like human beings, without raw material, without anything, without any food item, how leaf can make the food? No, it can't. So leaf is using air. First she will use sunlight, then air, then water, then air, water and carbon dioxide, and for the entire plant, right? So अब ये सारी तो प्रोसेस होती है लीव्स में, लेकिन इस प्रोसेस का नाम क्या है? So what is the name of this entire process? What is the name? हर चीज का कुछ ना कुछ नाम होता है. So the entire process name is photosynthesis. When leaf will make the food, leaf will prepare the food for entire the plant by using sunlight, air, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. The name of that process is photosynthesis. The name of this process is photosynthesis. Right? So we can say that leaf is the kitchen of the plant. Okay, now we will discuss how leaf will prepare the food. What is the entire process? Okay, so here I will draw the picture of sun. Okay, because first number is sunlight. Okay, so here I will draw the picture of sun, right? Then I will draw the picture of the plant over here. Okay, so this is the picture of a plant and sunlight ऊपर हो गया ना थोड़ा सा. So sunlight. Okay, first thing which is very much needed, which is very much required, that is sunlight. Okay, and second, air. So air means carbon dioxide, which is already in the air. So second is air. Air में कौन सी वाली air? Carbon dioxide. Okay, right? And third, water. So water, pani. They will get water from soil. Water from soil. Right? And what is the main? What is the main? Chlorophyll, which is already in the leaf. Chlorophyll, that is the green pigment. That is the green pigment which is already there in the leaf. Which is already there in the leaf, right? Then अब इतना मैं आपको फिर से समझाती हूँ, ठीक है? How leaves can make the food? See, sunlight. Who gives the sunlight to the plant? Obviously sun. So that is the energy to the plant, right? And water. Water कहाँ से मिला प्लांट को? Soil से, मिट्टी से. We all are putting water into the soil. Then it goes into the roots of the plants. जो भी पानी हम डालते हैं it already in the air. हवा में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है ना, it is already in the air. And the green pigment which is called chlorophyll, it is already in the plant, it is already in the leaf, right? So this is the process, and then plant will release the oxygen. That oxygen we all are breathing. We all are breathing these oxygen, beta. Right? So once again I will tell the entire process. See, as like human being, plants also need food. Then what is the process of the plant? Yes, plants need sunlight, air, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll. Sunlight, plants get from the sun, right? Air, hava, they are getting air in the form of carbon dioxide, which is already available in the air. Then water they will get from the soil, right? And then chlorophyll is already in the leaf, that is the kind of the green pigment, it is already in the leaf. Then it made the oxygen, and that oxygen we all are breathing. And this process, this entire process is called photosynthesis. This entire process is called photosynthesis. In Hindi we can say prakash sansleshan, and in English photosynthesis. This is the process. This is the entire process. These things will work. Then we get the oxygen. Right? Sunlight is coming from sun. Carbon dioxide is coming from air. Water is coming from soil. Right? And this water absorbed by the roots, and the roots will, and from the roots, through the roots it reaches into stem. Then this stem will pass the water into the entire plant, right? And there is already chlorophyll in the leaves, which is a kind of green pigment. And then they prepare the food for help of the sun, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Then we get fresh oxygen, and the name of this process is called photosynthesis. Right? Understand the entire process? You can see it once again. I will repeat. I am not in front of the board, so you can see it nicely, and I will repeat the entire process. Once again I will repeat the process. Plant takes sunlight, energy and carbon dioxide which is in the air, and water from the soil, goes into the roots, and through the roots it travels and reaches into the stem. Then it passes into leaves, and there the chlorophyll is already in the leaves, and there is a green pigment. Leaves, with the help of these leaves, plant prepare the food, and we get fresh oxygen. Then only plant release the oxygen, which is very needed and required for human beings. Right? So this entire process, is called photosynthesis. This is the process. Right, so how do leaf make food? Today we discussed about these things now, and one more thing that the food goes to all the parts of the plant through the stem. The food goes to all the parts of the plant through the stem के through ही जाता है, right? A part of the food made by the leaves is used by the plant to grow, right? A part of the food made by the leaves is used by the entire plant to grow, and the remaining part of the food is stored to the seeds and the stems and the roots and the fruits and the leaves. ठीक है, अब जैसे कि we human beings है ना, whatever food we all are required that we will eat, जितने खाने की जरूरत हमें होती है, that much of food we all are having in our daily life, in our day-to-day life, and whatever is extra food. So what is mama doing? Mama is keeping that food in the refrigerator. बचा हुआ खाना मम्मी फेंकती थोड़ी है, मम्मी क्या करती है, फ्रिज में रख देती है ना, so we can use it again. As like us, the plants also they doing the same. Whatever food required to a plant, it will take from the stem. But whatever food is remain, जो भी बचा हुआ खाना होता है ना, वो कहाँ जाता है? वो स्टेम में स्टोर करके रख लेता है, फ्रूट में स्टोर करके रख लेता है, फ्लावर में स्टोर करके रख लेता है, लीव्स में स्टोर करके रख लेता है. सो ऐसा नहीं होता it is not happening with the plants also. Whatever food they need, they will get, and whatever remain food, whatever extra food, they will also store in the stem, in the leaves, in the fruit, in the flower. Everywhere they will store the food, right? And when we will discuss about the photosynthesis process na beta, this is the entire process, and in this that is the main, stomata is the main part of the leaf. Because of that, leaf can prepare the food, and the stomata is usually open during the day only. ये सारा जो स्टोमेटा है ये सिर्फ दिन में ही होता है, that is closed at night, वो रात में close होता है. This is the process, right? So I am hoping that you can understand how a leaf can make the food. What are the raw material they are using to make the food, right? So leaf is the kitchen of the food, or we can say leaf is the food factory for a plant. We all are having kitchen, and we all are preparing food in the kitchen. As like us, plants also have the food, and leaf is the kitchen for the plant, right? And the sunlight, air, water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, these all are the important things which is needed to make the food for the plant, right? Sunlight gives the energy to the plant, and carbon dioxide, which is already in the air, and water, plants get water from the soil only, right? Roots, entire water absorbed by the roots only, then it goes into the stem, and then stem will passes the entire water into the plants, each and every parts of the plants, right? And there is already a green pigment which is called chlorophyll. It is already in the leaf only, photosynthesis. So today we will discuss this much only, and the last wala, a small part of the chapter is remain. We will see क्यों मैंने इसके why I took the 2 lecture of this process, because this process is very new for you. This learning is very new for you. That's why that is the reason I took the 2 lectures of these explanation, and I am giving you homework. You have to draw this entire process, right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all, and do your study well. Bye.